This is an official NerdWallet update on the best credit cards from Citi in 2025. But you know what? I'm gonna level with you here. You clicked on this video because you wanted to know which Citi card is going to earn you the most rewards, travel points, cashback, or something else entirely. Well, today we're breaking it down. We're looking at new offerings, juicy bonus categories, lucrative rewards programs, and even some hidden gems you may have never heard of before. Let me show you what I mean. First off, let's talk about why you should even consider a Citi card right now. Because let me tell you, they've got some pretty compelling stuff going on. Okay, so here's the deal. Citi has some of the most competitive credit cards in 2025, offering rewards, travel perks, and cashback opportunities that rival American Express and Chase. And guess what? They're not messing around. This year, they're relaunching some serious new players like the Citi Strata Premier and the revamped Custom Cash cards. Plus, their existing cards are still bringing heat from the Citi Double Cash card to the game-changing Prestige. Oh yeah, they also have one of the best rewards portals I've seen in years. You can easily transfer points to a range of airlines including JetBlue, Etihad, and Air France KLM. Not to mention their hotel transfer partners are no slouches either, with options like Hyatt and Luxury Collection. Now, if you're thinking about applying for a Citi card, there's no better time than right now. Thanks to these sweet promotions, you can score massive sign-up bonuses and kickstart your rewards journey on the right foot. All right, without further ado, let's dive into the details and explore the top 7 cards I recommend checking out. These are my picks based on extensive research and analysis, but remember, the best card for you will depend on your unique needs and spending habits. So be sure to stick around until the end, where I reveal the ultimate underdog pick that might just surprise you. And do not forget to leave a comment below and let me know which Citi card has caught your eye. Number 7 on my list is the brand new Citi Strata Premier. It's the replacement for the Citi Premier, but trust me, it's on another level. This card packs a punch with 3x points on air travel, hotels, restaurants, and supermarkets. Plus, you can earn 10x points when booking through the Citi Travel portal. It's pretty straightforward and simple to use. On top of that, it comes with a slew of benefits such as a $100 airline incidental credit, no foreign transaction fees, and a 50% point bonus when transferring to over 10 airline partners. The annual fee is $95, but given the high earning potential, it's totally worth it. Plus, it has a great option for those who want flexible points and do not mind paying a small annual fee. Next up, we have the Citi Custom Cash card, which is designed for people whose monthly expenses change from month to month. With this card, you'll earn 5% cash back on up to $500 in combined purchases within the top eligible spending category each billing cycle. Here's how it works. Every month, Citi categorizes your spending into different categories, like groceries, gas, and dining. Then they determine which category gives you the highest cashback reward for that particular month. You'll automatically earn 5% cash back on your top eligible category each month. And the best part is, you don't have to activate anything or do anything manually. After that, you'll earn 1% cash back on all other purchases. There's no annual fee and no minimum spend requirements for the introductory offer to take effect. If you're someone who struggles to keep track of rotating categories or prefers a simple cashback system, this card is definitely worth checking out. Up next, we have the fan favorite, the Citi Double Cash card. This no annual fee card is perfect for those who prefer simplicity and still want to earn a solid rewards. With this card, you'll earn 2% cash back on everything you buy. That's 1% when you purchase, and another 1% as you pay off your balance. While it may not sound like much, it's actually one of the best flat rate cards out there, and a great option for beginners. And don't worry, I didn't forget about the big spenders. Later in this video, I'll be revealing a few cards that offer insane earning potential in specific categories. Stay tuned and get ready to be impressed. Now let's talk about the Citi AAdvantage Platinum Select. This airline co-branded card is perfect for anyone who flies American Airlines frequently. With this card, you'll earn 110,000 bonus miles after spending $5,000 in the first 3 months. And it doesn't stop there. You'll also get a free first checked bag, preferred boarding, and other exclusive benefits. Now I know what you're thinking, an annual fee of $99. But don't worry, it's waived for the first year. So if you're planning to spend the bonus anyway, this card is a no-brainer. Just make sure you can commit to the long term and continue reaping the benefits. But hey, I would be a good friend if I did give you a little sneak peek behind the curtain. Let me tell you, there's a lot more to see here. Do I miss out on the opportunity to learn from my insider knowledge and get the most out of your credit card journey? Alright folks, it's time to reveal the final 3 cards on my list, and let me tell you, things are about to get exciting. Coming in at number 5 is the Citi Rewards Plus. It's a great option for casual spenders who don't want to deal with rotating categories or complicated point systems. With this card, you'll earn 2x points at supermarkets and gas stations, and 1x point on all other purchases. And here's the kicker. It rounds up every purchase to the nearest 10 points. So if you spend $7.60, you'll earn 10 points instead of the usual 8. It may not seem like much, but those little extra points add up over time. Plus, there's no annual fee, and no need to worry about missing out on bonus categories. It's a simple, hassle-free way to earn rewards on your everyday spending. Next up, we have the Citi Prestige, one of the most talked about cards on the market. Now, this is a bit of a legacy card that Citi is slowly phasing out, but don't worry, I'll explain later. With this card, you'll earn 5x points on airfare booked directly with airlines or on AMC, COM, and 5x points on dining, including takeout and delivery services. And that's not all. You'll also get a $200 airfare credits for Priority Pass standard lounge visits for you, and to authorized users per year, and a slew of other benefits. Now, I know you're probably wondering about the $495 annual fee, but let me tell you, this card is worth every penny if you can use it to its full potential. Plus, if you're a frequent traveler, the value you'll get from the perks alone is incredible. So if you can afford the annual fee and want to upgrade your travel game, the Citi Prestige is definitely worth considering. And finally, it's time to reveal the underdog pick that I've been teasing throughout the video. The Citi Secured Mastercard. This card may not sound like the most exciting option, but let me tell you, it's a game changer for those who are building or rebuilding their credit. With this card, you'll earn unlimited 1% cash back on all purchases, and the best part is, it reports to all 3 bureaus, helping you establish or re-establish your creditworthiness. There's no annual fee and no minimum credit score requirement. So if you're just starting out or need a little boost, this card is the perfect option. It's a great way to get your foot in the door and start earning rewards while working towards your long-term financial goals. And there you have it, folks. My top 7 picks for the best Citi credit cards in 2025. I hope this video was helpful and gave you the insights you need to make the most of your credit card journey. Remember, choosing the right card is a big decision, and it's important to consider your individual needs and spending habits. And there you have it, folks. Thank you so much for joining me on this epic adventure through the world of Citi credit cards. I hope you learned something new, discovered a hidden gem or two, and most importantly, found the perfect card to match your unique style. Now go forth, conquer the world, and unlock your financial freedom, one swipe at a time. See you in the next video.